A little bit later on this week and into the following week, things look a lot better as we head through the first month of November. You know, actually, the 14-day forecast, at least later this week and kind of into earlier November, is what we expect kind of during the majority of October. These ups and downs in temps, rain chances.
Yeah, that's how it should be.
That's how it should be in October, but this October has just been, mostly just very warm and dry, but it does look like that pattern may finally be changing a little bit later on this week with some rain chances returning to the area, multiple days of rain chances. Maybe even a little severe weather threat. We'll talk about that coming up in a second. In the meantime, UNT and Denton 56 degrees, a little cooler this morning than yesterday morning for most of you. Dallas Baptist University 65 degrees, clear skies there, but can't say that for all of North Texas. Look at some fog that's developed anywhere from Terrell to McKinney this morning. Reduced visibilities in Greenville, also in Sherman. It's kind of across northeastern North Texas where there's some low-level cloud cover, a little bit of fog. Don't expect that to last terribly long this morning. Any clouds, any fog should kind of scatter out as we head through the morning hours here. And by later on today, you'll be dealing with partly to mostly sunny skies, and your highs should top out in the 80s area wide. Low to mid 80s for most of you. 10 degrees, give or take, above normal for this time of the year because normal high is 74. I'll go about 83 to 86 across the DFW area. Just kind of depends on where you are later on this afternoon, but everybody will be above normal for this point in the season. Here's that cool down I'm promising. Upper 80s or mid 80s over the next several days, but then look as we head toward Halloween just in time. 73 for your highs. A cold front's going to move in Wednesday into Thursday. That front will also bring us our next chance for some thunderstorms and maybe even a low-end severe weather threat as well. So we're dry today, we're dry tomorrow, we're dry on Tuesday, besides maybe a few showers across central Texas, but let's go to Wednesday. Wednesday morning starts off dry, but then some showers and storms may try and develop as we head into the evening and nighttime hours, especially as this front gets a little closer to us. Here's your Halloween morning, 7 a.m., some lingering showers and storms, but watch what happens as we head through the day. That front shoves any showers or storms to the south, and by the evening into the nighttime hours, looking dry. So right now, I have us dry for any trick-or-treat plans, and really, things haven't been trending in a direction that would, all of a sudden make the forecast wet at this point. So here's hoping this is what continues to be the forecast, but as of right now, it has kind of remained that way, which is good news. Some rain may return as we head into Friday, especially across western North Texas, so some scattered rain is possible during that day and more rain possible during the weekend and into early next week as well. Here's what I was talking about, though. It's been a while since we've talked about a severe weather threat, but we do have one. It looks like Wednesday evening into Wednesday night as that front moves in from DFW to the north, a 2 on a scale of 5 at the moment. We'll continue to monitor this as we head through the upcoming week. Right now, my concern would be for maybe a few storms with some wind and some hail. Of course, as we head through the week and we get all the data and the forecast starts to really come together, we'll bring you the latest information on that. But here's your rainfall totals through early next week. So starting Wednesday through early next week, because remember, it's not just Wednesday night into Thursday where we have rounds of rain. It's next weekend and even into the early part of the following week. We're hoping for maybe about 1 to 2 inches of rain across the area, which we desperately need. And we hope that that absolutely comes true between now and then. Here's what happens the next 7 days of the first 7 of the 14-day forecast. There you see the cool down there. You see the rain chances as we head through this week and into next weekend as well. Thursday, your Halloween looks to be the coolest day of this upcoming week. Temps warm up just a little bit for the upcoming weekend, but then another push of cool air arrives and we cool down again just in time for Election Day on Tuesday with some cooler air around as we head through that first full week of November. Of course, quite a few Mavs games on that 14-day forecast as well, with the next one this upcoming Monday at 7:30 right here on KFAA.